When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore.
This is so beautiful. I don't think I feel like going from here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day number 2 and we're going to leave from here today. Good morning शिवी. थप्पड़ पड़ेगा तुम दोनों को. निकलो बाहर. यार इतनी सुंदर व्यू है. टेंट में क्या कर रहे हो? बाहर आओ. And it's a good morning. Freshen up हो गया. We're supposed to have our breakfast after some time, but we're thinking of going there down. जहाँ पे ये लोग गए. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, there. So let's see if we can. Otherwise, we'll be leaving soon. That's all for now. Hi Topi, what's up? दिमाग इतना ज़्यादा है हम में
वहाँ से नहीं गए थे शिव
कि कह रहा है कि यहाँ से नीचे जाएंगे.
देखना जाने को
पागल हो गया है.
रुकना
पागल हो गया है.
नीचे लोग आ रहे हैं वो दिखा.
हम सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए रुके हैं अभी. फिर हम निकल जाएंगे.
ब्रश कर रहा है.
धूप बहुत है. खाना ढूंढने. चलो फिर.
तेरे बर्थडे भी गिफ्ट करेंगे.
ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम. गेस करो क्या होगा खाने में.
खाना नहीं है ब्रेकफास्ट.
ब्रेकफास्ट में सिर्फ
पोहा लोहा
पोहा नहीं चाहिए यार.
रड़ा सांभर.
लेट्स सी. और ये शिव का गेस्ट सही निकला. मुबारक हो शिव. So we're done with the breakfast and we're thinking of leaving now.
Thinking maybe we are leaving.
Yeah, we're leaving now. It will take us around 2 hours according to the Google Maps, but हमको usually आते वक्त तो 4 घंटे लग गए थे because रुक के आए थे. So now I have no clue कि कितना टाइम लगेगा. Hopefully 12 बजे तक पहुंच जाए, इसलिए हम लोग जल्दी भी निकल रहे हैं क्योंकि checkout was 12 but we are leaving early. So that's all. It was a fun trip and नहीं और vlog होएगा घर जाने तक. तो अभी तो we're leaving. So yeah, that's all for this place and we're checking out and it was fun. Okay, bye. And we're leaving. It was a nice class. अभी रास्ते नज़ारा देखना. I will definitely recommend this place if you guys want to come. It was a much needed getaway and we are happy. Thumbs up. ऐसे ऐसे रास्ता है. ऐसे ऐसे जाना पड़ेगा.
यहाँ से जाते हैं नीचे.
बहुत सुंदर था ये. एज आई सेड हमको पूरा अभी ऐसे घूम घूम के जाना पड़ेगा, तो ऑल द बेस्ट टू अस। और टोपी किधर रह गया? टोपी इज कमिंग। बाय 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 बाय। Woohoo! I'm the only one excited. टोपी।
टोपी है हेलमेट।
हेलो हेलो गाइस, इनको छोड़ो, नजारा देखो गाइस। So pretty. Nearest रास्ता I've seen, रास्ता so सुंदर, so सुंदर। मजा आ गया। आते वक्त धूप थी इसलिए इतना मजा नहीं आया, बट अभी तो मौसम भी मस्ताना है एकदम। ब्रो आराम से चल। So I'm finally back from the trip and it was so good. Obviously I couldn't capture everything all over there, but then trust me, I felt like really nice. अंदर से बहुत अच्छा लगा. So if you guys want to know like how I planned this trip and how did I reach there and what was the cost and all of it, so this is my Instagram handle. You can DM me and I'll let you know all the things. I just realized कि मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा से चिप हो गई है. I was thinking let's do some skincare. For that I was thinking of using this product which Wow had sent to me a week ago, and I was like, why not use it again? I mean, I had used it earlier also 2 times, so I was like, why not use it again? So yes, let me tell you about the product now. So this is like the outer packaging of the product. So first thing first, this scrub is not just for your face, but you can use it for your body as well. Imagine, we usually think of scrubs like we usually buy scrubs different for our body and for our face, but this is something you can use for both your body as well as your face. So the most important thing is this is made from 96.9% naturally derived ingredients, and of course that it is made in India. And this product is also dermatologically tested, and of course it is no parabens, no sulfates, no silicone, no synthetic colors. So what better than this? So now you guys must be thinking, oh, this is okay, but what is it actually made up of and how is it useful to your skin? So let me tell you. It is made up of infusion of walnut shell powder, rose and beetroot extracts. It removes dead skin, leaving behind smooth and soft skin. It definitely gives an exfoliating and regenerating care for your dull patchy skin. And yes, most important, it is suitable for all skin types. Yes, you can definitely use this scrub thrice a week to give a very fresh and radiant skin. And not to forget, all the links of this product are given in the description box below, so just click and buy right now. I can definitely see a difference, and I hope you guys can too. Ignore my pimple. But I guess that's all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the trip with me. And yes, as I said, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबा देना, ताकि जब भी मैं एक वीडियो अपलोड करूँ आप लोगों को नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. So yes, that was it for today's video, and if you guys want more such videos, please comment down below and tell me where should I go next with my friends. I would definitely try my best and go. That's all. See you later. Bye bye. Oh yes, don't forget to check out the links in the description.